Can I get a whoop whoop? Welcome to Price Mixing It Up. Gardening Chronicles Season 2, Episode 1. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Hey y'all, Price Mixing It Up. Whoop whoop. Gardening Chronicles. All right, it's been a minute. It's a hot day, y'all. And I decided to get over here. Well, I was watching a video on my greens and tomatoes and what to do with them because I have like a bug infestation. So I'm trying to think of the term. Harvesting. Harvesting is clipping the mature leaves off. I have collards. I have my Roma tomatoes, my zucchini, and sweet peppers. So right now I'm learning, y'all. I tell you, I'm not an avid gardener. I'm just a new person at this. So stay with me. What I'm doing is clipping the leaves from my collards, and I'm clipping my zucchini plant because and I'll show you in just a moment. While we were away, the watering system wasn't what I thought it was, and they weren't being watered properly. So they're stunted in growth, and they will pick up. So I'm going to show you now what we have and what I'm doing. And again, comment, help me out if you can. And if you don't know what you're doing, like I'm learning, you can learn from me too. So thank you for checking in with Price Mixing It Up. Can I get a woot woot? All right, let's check this out now. Okay. I transplanted the basil and the mint and the sage from the smaller boxes I had, and I put them in my last pot right here. So whoever's watching with me on my season 1 episode 5 gardening chronicles, this was an empty box. And as I said, we were away. Now since then the landscaper has set up my the water system, the drip. As you can see, it's right there. It's almost like a little fountain. When it drips up and out. So is that the best? I don't know, but I'll find out. So this is regenerating and getting rejuvenated, and I put them all together in one. My zucchini is suffering, but suffer no more in the name of Jesus. Okay, so I'm clipping the dry leaves, and that's what I'm doing here. My clippings from my collard greens and my zucchini. Is this what I should be doing? I'm going to figure it out. So I just took my clippers. I didn't pull a leaf off because I want a clean cut, and I wanted to be able to live. I don't want the dead pieces to take away from the live pieces. So we're going to see what happens. Zucchini I planted before. I didn't have this issue, but I didn't have this location either. These are probably not my best clippers, but they're the ones that I'm using today. So we'll get the job done. So I'm pretty much cleaning out this area because, as you can see, it's some rubbish. And I know rubbish brings and breeds insects, flies, all kind of stuff. I don't want that. So I'm following this gardener. Can't tell you his name right now. And he has a homemade spray. And I think it's peroxide and something else, but I'll have to look and see. So this was supposed to be a flower. One of my flowers for my zucchini is dried out. So, oh well, you know what? It's okay. It's going to come back. But I would have had some plants. But I did take a vacation, and I wasn't going to postpone my vacation for my garden. But unfortunately, I thought the person who we paid to do my sprinkler system had did it, and obviously he didn't. So guess what? I ain't mad. Okay, I'm glad. And so as you can see, my zucchini plants, I'm gonna keep you up to date with these because I believe, I'm walking by faith, they're gonna come back. And I'm just gonna do this. If they happen to not come back, guess what? I'm just gonna go buy some more. But I'm gonna nurture these and watch them. Now let me show you my greens. Here's the collards. So they are a little sickly. I ate some off of them once. These are bolting, I believe is what you call the flowers. And I did get enough seeds to start another one. Here's some leaves that are ill. They've got bug bites, the yellow, something's been eating them. I was watching this video and it said just turn and look at the underside and you can see what it is. So for now, I just started trimming and cutting. Okay. And again, I have the drip system here. So what I'm doing today is trimming, cutting, looking for any signs of bugs, moths, any birth on my leaves that I don't want. Otherwise, these leaves look pretty good. Here's one that's not well. I'm gonna cut it right there. So I know it's not well. You can tell it's not well. And it does have some bugs on the underside. So I learned something today. And my Roma tomatoes, they're looking good. Look at that. Okay. Look how big. It's such a small bush. It's got 3 tomatoes there. And this one, again, I'm praying over my garden. It's going to come back. This one has 3 too, so I got to trim. Oh, it's got like 5 tomatoes on it. Look how small it is. All right. These are my peppers. I don't see any life of any peppers growing, but once I trim it, I'll keep you posted. Okay, so we're going to make this season 2, y'all. All right? This season 2 is Gardening Chronicles. Season 1 has 5 episodes. Check them out. And we're going to a new season. So we'll be seeing you around soon. For now, clip, clip. Whoop, whoop. This is Price mixing it up. Thank you for checking in. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you for your like, your share. Because if you like it, somebody else would like it. Share it. They can share it. Comments, I welcome your comments. Some of you know gardening better than me. You can give me suggestions. You can ask me questions. Let's share. Come on. All right. Subscribe so you'll know when I'm uploading a new video. And by the way, I am doing some traveling videos too. All right. So be surprised. And guess what I'm going to say? Remember to what? Make it a great day. Thank you. See you soon.